Hello, good morning students. This is Neeraj Paul from Albion Public School, and now I am going to explain chapter 9. The chapter name is Internet and Email. Okay, in this chapter we will cover some topic. First, Internet. Okay, first of all we will read about Internet, what is Internet and their uses, and second, search engine. And third topic we will cover in this chapter, email. And fourth topic will be netiquette. And our fifth topic will be Internet and its emoji icons. Okay, so let us start from the first topic, that is Internet. Dear students, Internet is stand for interconnected network. Internet is stand for interconnected network. You can say this is the full form of Internet. Internet is stand for interconnected network. Okay, Internet is used to do many essential activities such as connecting with people in a many way, just like video conferencing, and to do business with the help of Internet, to do search information, to do online shopping, and to book movie tickets, read newspapers, and you can also search many information with the help of Internet. Okay, dear students, you have learned in the previous classes about Internet. Internet is a network of millions of computers that is connected across the world. Okay, Internet is a large network. In this, millions of computers connected to each other. Okay, now let us start history of Internet. Let me erase this. Okay, students, first of all, Internet it introduced in 1969 in United States. First of all, Internet was introduced in 1969 in United States by the Advanced Research Project Agency. Advanced Research Project Agency. Internet was introduced in 1969 in United States by Advanced Research Project Agency. Okay, now we will know about uses of Internet. Uses of Internet. Okay, we can use Internet in many fields such as communication, Okay, communication such as email, video calling, voice calling. Students, email is stand for electronic mail. Email is stand for electronic mail. Okay, it allow you to send and receive messages electronically. Later known as email, some email services are Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, and so on. And second is video calling. In a communication field, we can use internet for video calling. Video calling, have a video call, a webcam and microphone must be attached to the computer at both the ends. Video calling allow the other person to see you once they join the call. And the third is voice calling. Students, voice calling, it allow you to make calls to another person across the world. In such a facility, one can speak with the other person, but they cannot see each other unless they switch on the video. And the next is online shopping. Online shopping. Nowadays, many people are doing online shopping. In this, it is possible to buy and sell products online. Some popular virtual stores are Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, and so on. There are many platforms from where you can buy and sell products. And the next is e-banking. Students, you can also credit and debit amounts with the help of internet. Students, you can perform banking operations at any place and at any time with just a click. And the next is entertainment. Okay, next is entertainment. Students, you can read books, you can watch movies, and you can also play games with the help of internet. Okay, now our next topic is requirement for internet connection. That is very necessary for you. If you want to connect your computer with the internet, then you need some tools. Some devices and services are required for connecting the internet to a computer system, such as modem. Modem stands for modulator and demodulator. It acts as a link between the computer and the internet. Students, one more thing, listen. Modem is stand for modulator and demodulator. There are two type of modem. There are two type of modem. Okay. There are two type of modem. First is internal modem and second is external modem. Okay. First is internal modem and second is external modem. Okay. There are two type of modem. First is internal modem and second is external modem. Okay. Students, internal modem is fixed inside the computer system, and external modem, it is a separate machine that could be wired or wireless. Okay, students, internet is bits per second is the until that is used to measure the speed of a modem. We can say you can use the you can measure the speed of internet in bits per second. Next topic in this, data transfer media. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, students, our next topic is data transfer media. Okay, you need a medium to transfer data from one computer to another over the internet. The medium is known as data transfer media, which can be viewed telephone line or wireless, such as ISP. Students, ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. Internet Service Provider. Okay, ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. It is an organization that offers internet services in exchange of some fees. Some example of ISPs are Airtel, Vodafone. Example of ISP: Airtel, Vodafone, Reliance, and so on. These all are the example of internet service provider. MTNL and BSNL is also an example of internet service provider. With the help of this, we can access internet. MTNL is stand for Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited, and BSNL is stand for Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Okay, students. Now the next topic is search engine. Search engine I will explain in my next video. Till then, students, goodbye. Thank you for watching.